Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll be demoing to you a project we had for our computer science class that required us to use audio input. What I decided to develop with this requirement was an intermittent fasting coach, which I termed kitchen coach, because it sits in the kitchen and it tells you what to do for your own benefit. So the app itself, it sits in your kitchen, on your kitchen table 24/7. It looks for an audio input, and if it detects an audio input outside of your eating window, then it's going to trigger an alarm, so to speak, and it will try to tell you to stop eating or make you feel guilty for breaking that eating window. So the webpage itself is hosted on my personal server on an alias page, and right when you go there, it is very simple. Black background. It's meant to save electricity, and I'm going to set up an eating window. So let's set up an eating window from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. and it tells us it's a 4-hour eating window, and that I'm going to confirm this. So right now it says are we armed? It's just confirming, is the time period, does the time period coincide, are we in the eating time window or outside the time window? Right now it is 2:50 a.m. and we are outside of the eating window. So yes, we should be armed. I probably should have chosen a different word for there, but this screen, it tells us basic information, so the start time, the end time, and as well as the current time, and of course is the current time in the eating window or outside. So before I press arm here, I have to pause the video, because when I press arm, it's going to ask for permission to use audio, and because I'm recording with a screen overlay tool here, it's not going to allow me to proceed. So I'm going to quickly pause and be right back. So for this second part, I actually was not able to record the audio while I was speaking, mostly because I was whispering, and the voice or the screen recorder had like a minimum threshold, which I couldn't figure out how to cancel it. And anyway, I was whispering, so it wasn't the best of audio qualities. Even the audio, when it got activated, I wasn't able to, it wasn't loud enough, I guess, for the screen recorder to detect. So I'm just going to add the audio response once it gets triggered, which happens right about now.
What are you doing in my swamp?
And that is really all. Thank you for tuning in, and leave a comment if you have anything. Thank you.